Why, what do we have here? A mighty fine looking lifted XJ. So if you guys have been following, this is the one that came in with uniframe issues, and she's all buttoned up and right as rain, ready to go home to her owner. So I figured I'd give you I got some pictures, but I'll give you a video update of what we did. So we got down in here and made some frame plates. So this is all plated now, all the way across, all the way back to the track bar. This is 3/16 plating. It's been stitched up all the way around the plate. It's also been button welded at the plow hole, and then stitched up here all the way around the front. And then the other thing that we did is we went ahead and pulled the steering box off, and we got a plate back in behind the steering box that's all welded and stitched the same way. And then we went ahead and ordered a steering box sector shaft brace. So that's the bracket that you see back in here, and then it goes around the sector shaft, and then that's the end of the sector shaft. It replaces the nut that's on it with a shank, and then that shank fits inside the pillow block bearing, and that pillow block bearing secured to here and to here into the bracket, and then it ties the uniframe from driver's side to passenger side together. And then as well as that, up inside here there's also another clasp, another bracket that holds the snout of the steering box. So the snout of the steering box and the sector shaft are held in conjunction with each other, in conjunction with the uniframe that goes all the way across. So this thing is super stout now. The one thing that I had put these on a couple of Jeeps, but they had aftermarket sway bars on here. So when I got this all together, I had to make some sway bar drop brackets to bring this sway bar down a little bit. They're actually a little bit more aggressive than what I thought they were going to be. They would probably be better if they were about 1.5 inches rather than the 2.5 that I have here. But everything works, everything clears, angles look okay. This is just a little bit lower, the arms are a little bit up a little bit. It'll still ride fine, still function correctly. So, we also replaced the power steering hoses on the steering box because those were bad, and then buttoned it all up, took it for a ride. So, there's a Cherokee. I work on a lot of these random Cherokees. They come in. I got, I'm a custom paint shop and a restoration company, but I also work on a lot of Jeeps and mechanical stuff on the side as my extracurricular, and it's what I like to do for fun. And because people know me and know what I'm capable of, they call me when they got problems like this one and say, please, I need help me. And I said yes. So anyway, there's the Cherokee. I think this was a 93 country, 92 or 93 country. So she's gonna go home, and so am I. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. Take care.